Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. I am Mizanur Rahman, ID 1173. I am currently working as operation engineer at Pran RFL Group. I have passed diploma in from Rajshahi Polytechnic Institute. Currently, I am forcing my BSc in Tripoli Uttara University. There are 4 people in my family. I eat 2 brother and mom and father. I was born and raised in Rajshahi Nator. Was in famous the best kasagolla in my country. In my free time, I enjoy traveling, sleeping, reading book, playing football. I am foodie. I love eating like biryani or homemade food. My favorite color black and white. I dislike dishonest politics, traffic jam, loud noise.